right, welcome to Story Yoga. I am so excited to be here today because I have a very special friend of mine, and her name is Valentina. And Valentina, where do you live?
North Dakota.
She's doing Story Yoga all the way from North Dakota. And something's really special about Valentina because, how old are you, Valentina?
10.
10. Valentina wants to start her own yoga class in North Dakota. Isn't that a super cool idea? Well, today is the book we're going to read is called The Flea's Sneeze by Lynn Downey. And this has a ton of animal poses in it, so it's going to be super fun for us to do. So I'm really excited, and I hope you guys are going to follow along at home. On a dark, dark night in an old barn, in a rickety-crickety tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl. What's a rooster say? Cock-a-doodle-doo, right? Let's see your rooster pose. Get up high on your toes. Make some big long arms. And let's cock-a-doodle-doo together. Are you ready? Cock-a-doodle-doo! A dog. A hog. Piggy pose, yep, laying in the mud. And an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. What's flea pose? All right, no one heard him cough. What do you think's wrong with the flea?
He's sick.
You think he's sick? Let's see. Not even the mouse heard him cough. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him sniffle. Not even the rat. See, rat pose. There you go, on your knees and arms nice and long. That's a great rat pose. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Let's see flea pose. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue, please? Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl. Get high up on your toes for feathered fowl. Get up high on your toes, make those wings. What's a feathered fowl say? Cock-a-doodle-doo! Or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Then suddenly, before he could cover his nose, achoo! And it scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo and woke the cat, who hissed maroo. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue and confused the cow.
Moo, moo.
Come on, baby.
It outraged the owl,
Come on, baby.
who hollered, hoo-hoo, and flustered the fowl, who cried, cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked,
Ruff, ruff.
and sprayed the hog, piggy pose, who cried, "Ooh!" and reminded the frog of his old nephew. Can I see your froggy pose? But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. What's flea pose? For all the rest of the night, dark, dark night on the old, old farm in the rickety-crickety tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. What's resting pose look like? The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the fowl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I'm gonna sneeze. All right, thanks everybody for joining us for Story Yoga today. That was The Flea Sneeze by Lynn, Downey with Valentina. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.